In this video, you will perform an internet search to find listings for jobs you'd like to apply for. You will explore and filter the search results to find jobs that fit your goals. In the first activity, you created a guide with tips for searching for jobs, and your class shared tips with each other. Think about the tips you learned. Were there certain search terms that were helpful? Were there employer websites you wanted to visit? Review the presentation if you need to, and keep these tips in mind as you search. Type in a query about the kinds of jobs you're looking for. You may want to use terms like jobs near me, retail jobs, or part-time jobs. Press enter and check out the results. To make searching for jobs easier, Google finds listings from all over the internet and collects them in one search result. Check out a snapshot of the jobs on the search page. Click on a result or on More Jobs to look at the full list. Your search may have returned lots of jobs. To get more specific results, filter your search. Hover over the menu and select the job that matches your needs. Read through the job description. Scroll through the menu and check out a few more job listings. Use different search terms and apply filters until you find at least one job that you consider applying for. Then, move on to the next video to add it to your spreadsheet. Now, it's your turn. Perform a Google search to find job listings. Filter your search to get more specific results. Once you've found a job you're interested in, move on to the next video to begin tracking jobs in a spreadsheet.